Okay, this is a penetration video of the 357 Magnum versus 45 ACP. I'm standing off at about 10 to 12 feet. I'm going to shoot this tree to see how deep they go. Let's proceed. As you can tell, this was not the most brilliant idea. Shit does go everywhere. What do we got? That was the 357 Magnum. We've got it at about the depth of my index finger fingernail. Now for the 45 ACP. Still same, 10 to 12 feet away. 45 ACP, here we go. Okay. Now let's take a look and see what actually happened. This is the 357 Magnum hole. Like I said, it's about the depth of my fingernail. There's the 45, which is also a little shallower than my fingernail. Obviously the 357 penetrates farther. Well, take that back. This hole keeps on going once you get in there. That is also the depth of my fingernail. What it appears to me is both of them entered till they hit the core of the mesquite tree and then came back out. Bounced back out because you can't feel them in there. See, there's pieces of bullet laying around. There we go. There's a piece of bullet. That is the 357 round. You can tell by the diameter at the back of the bullet it's still intact. That's what it looks like after it impacted the tree, delivering about 560 pounds of energy. As you tell, the tree took it. Let's see if there's any other bullet fragments around. I do not currently see anything. Really, there are pieces of tree around, but no more bullets. No more of the fired projectiles. Okay, well what we've got now is a completed test of penetration. You can see the first two holes I had shot on attempting to make this video. And what we've learned is pretty much nothing applicable, I gotta admit. I did not realize that the core of the mesquite tree was going to be as hard as it is, and it did not give an accurate representation, at least an applicable representation of what the bullet would do, since the testing surface is considerably harder than living tissue on, say, a person or a dog or any wild hog or anything else that you would likely encounter and have to shoot in self-defense. On the other hand, about an inch into a tree is considerably harder to do than 6 inches of a person. So remember that, it would easily penetrate a person. This is Murr signing off. I don't know if this video is going to be helpful. I'm going to find some better things to shoot at. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.